Are you a beekeeper looking for a simple and affordable way to build your own nuke box? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how to make a lightweight, durable nuke box using just a single sheet of Coroplast plastic, the same material you can find at your local hardware store. The best part? The detailed plan is completely free. Yes, you heard that right. You can download it today from my blog, link in the description below. Coroplast is not only lightweight and easy to work with, but it's also weather-resistant, making it the perfect material for a nuke box that can withstand the elements. The plan includes easy-to-follow steps to cut, fold, and assemble the Coroplast into a functional nuke box. No advanced tools or skills are needed, just a bit of time and a passion for beekeeping. Once finished, your nuke box will be ready to house bees, split colonies, or catch swarms. Its compact design makes it perfect for transporting or temporarily housing bees. Don't wait. Head over to my blog to download the free plan and get started today. The link is in the description below. Make your beekeeping journey easier and more affordable with this DIY nuke box. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more beekeeping tips, free plans, and DIY projects. Happy beekeeping!